are my fire, my one desire. I'm just kidding. I've seen love and loss, and nothing compares to the adventure that I get when I do life with you. Today, I offer myself completely to you, and I promise to love you with all of my soul and to be true and faithful, patient, kind, and selfless in my love. I promise to submit to you and honor you, putting all of my trust in you, and I promise to stand beside you in times of joy, in times of trial, and times of sorrow. Where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. I know that by becoming a wife today, I also become a mother. And as I step proudly into this role, I promise to cherish your son as I serve our family, and I promise to instill value and worth in him as my own. I will be present and loving through every season that comes. And so today, in front of all of our friends and family, I choose you to be my first round draft pick.
I, Eric Thomas Williams Jr., stand here ready to take you, Peyton, Suzanne, or Hank, to be my best friend, my wife, and forever partner in marriage. You may not realize this, but I am indebted to you. I owe you my life, Peyton. Before you came, I was in a bad place, struggling with life and didn't see any light at the end of the tunnel. I was depressed, angry, confused, and broken. It felt like I was in a hole without any way out. Then this warm, loving, beautiful woman came and extended a hand that I didn't feel like I deserved. I knew from then on I would do everything in my power to love you the way you love me. You invested in me when there was nothing but potential. And even when there were times that I couldn't see my own worth, you constantly reminded me that God has given my life purpose. For that, you will forever have my loyalty, my faithfulness, my cuddles, and most importantly, my heart. I love you, Peyton, more than myself, and look forward to proving that to you every day for the rest of my life.
Guys, these are vows, commitments, and as you've spoken them to each other and over each other, by placing those rings on your fingers, you're saying, I do. And my heart is to say that you say it every day that you wake up, and every day that you go, that you say, I do. So by the power vested in me, by the great state of Texas, and by the Lord Jesus Christ, I pronounce you man and wife. Kiss your bride.